Yung sa akin naman, yung ano ko, yung major ko when I graduated, nursing. So hindi siya related basically sa the usual VA. Although right now may mga healthcare VAs din naman ngayon. But, may experience din ako sa call center. So, I think, part of that is, you're improving your conversational skills, especially when it comes to talking to Americans or Australians or other nationalities, like in the UK. So, yun yung mga usual na clients na makikita mo sa VA. So, as long as you're able to converse in English, then that's a value na pwede mong ma-translate when you want to, enter this industry. So sa akin, actually same din sa inyong dalawa. Mahilig din ako magbutingting. It's very helpful if you are tech savvy. So
Mm.
mahilig akong gumamit ng mga tools on a daily basis. Yung mga personal ko na like organizing my finances, I use Google Sheets. When I want to organize like projects, I use Trello board. So, parang familiar ako, very open ako and very interested ako learning new tools.